Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool single slot payphone, and this is Thomas's equipment from North Carolina, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. Now this unit is a brand new payphone or new old stock. This payphone does not look like it's ever been in service or out in the field. Now we want to run through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. We have a plastic bag with the informational signs in that bag. We also have the T key, we have the front cover key, and we have two keys to the vault area. Now the one key for the upper cover does fit that lock, and of course the T key will be your final stage in to the front cover and the vault door. Now the two keys for the vault lock are not the keys to the vault lock with this payphone. Somehow they ended up with this payphone, but they do not fit that lock for the vault. And that vault lock will have to be removed. Thomas is not concerned with the vault lock. Once it's been removed, he's just going to use the T key to access the cash box. And a vault lock can always be installed in the future if needed. This unit has programmable boards. They will have to be removed. They're of no use to us, and they cannot be used in the conversion. Now the keypad to this unit are only momentary switches, so we will have to build up our tone generator circuits. We will be rewiring this unit the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We also need to go through the hook switch. We want to go through the security cable, make sure that that's in working condition. We're going to go through the transmit and the receive. Now the transmitter in this unit will not be used in the conversion. We will need to replace that with a different type of mic. Now the caps for the transmitter and receiver for the handset are epoxied on. We need to remove those caps because we need to access the transmitter and the receiver and for any future repairs that need to be done. We want to go through the coin validator. We want to make sure that all the coins are falling into the cash box area. We will be going through the entire payphone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool single slot payphone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we want to go ahead and run some change through this unit. And so we're going to go ahead and start with a quarter. That fell into the cash box area. We want to use a dime, a nickel, one more quarter, another dime, and one last nickel. Now what we want to do is check our cash box. We'll use our T key and open the vault door. We'll set that to the side, remove our cash box, open our lid, Thomas is getting rich with bubblegum money. Now we want to run through how the cash box works. We'll go ahead and reset our latch. We want to turn that about a quarter of a turn clockwise, or a half a turn, and we can shut our door. Now, since the latch has been reset, when we put the cash box back into the unit, our linkage here will open the trap door, and then once that has been removed, the trap door will close and you cannot access the cash. And they would put a little seal or a little lock on the cash box so that the people that were on the route could not access the cash. So now what we want to do is go ahead and open our door, reset our latch. We can shut the door, and now the cash box will go back into the payphone, and we can put our vault door back on the unit, and now the cash box is ready to accept coins. Okay, we're back now, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. I want to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise, it will be coming from the amplifier. Now for the informational signs, we're going to go ahead and let Thomas decide which informational signs he wants to use, because there is a choice. There's more than one option for each slot, and they're not hard to install. And Thomas may want to create his own logo and use them in the informational sign area. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now there's a switch on the main PC board that allows you to change the volume control for the handset. And I want to go ahead and reach around, and we want to set our switch. Now that's on high. I want to go down one, and then we can go down another setting. and we can bring it back up. We'll leave it in that position, which is high at this time. We want to go ahead and run through our numbers. So if you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. Our volume control, our 3 settings, is working. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Saturday, October 26th. The current time, 2:24 p.m. and the temperature, 52 degrees.
We'll go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool single slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Thomas and he can enjoy this payphone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.